Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to access, or rather, contact Facebook customer service representative, okay? So basically, the oldest method before is just searching up Google and typing Facebook customer service. It will show your number right there that you can call, but right now, if you click on Help Center right there, it will take you another website if you click on using Facebook or create an account. For example, you're gonna go around and around with this so you won't have any number to call to. If you click on this, give me a second right there, choose anything here, you'll have nothing to call to. If you click Help Center over here, you'll go on this website where in fact you really don't have any number still. You can still click on Get Started right there, but again, they won't give you a direct number. So options right now is going to be first logging into your Facebook account, and next one is going straight to Facebook Business or business.facebook.com. With this one, you'll have to go to this help option on this lower left. So you have go to Business Manager, you're still able to access Meta Business at any time, but click on help right there. Once you click on help, you'll have this option right here to enable pause. Go back to the bottom right section and you should find the number over here. If you can find it, you can find the number, remove that one and basically just search up Meta Business Support. If you have this one, click on message and you'll start talking to a live agent right away. Okay? Now they added this link right here. I think it's accessible to anyone, but right now it's not really helpful because they don't have a number on this end right here. It's more on marketing purposes only. Now with this one, you'll have option talking with them right here, okay? So basically that's how you contact customer service on Facebook. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Have a safe one.